Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Back with another video. Now let's dive into the world of ethical hacking. We're talking about top 10 project ideas perfect for beginners in 2024. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're a tech enthusiast looking to level up your cybersecurity game, these projects will give you some hands-on experience. We'll break down each project, why they're cool, and what you can learn. Let's jump right into it. Let's kick things off with a classic: building a password cracker. Remember, we're talking about ethical hacking here. This project is about understanding how passwords can be cracked and securing your own. We'll use Python to create a basic password cracker. Learn about brute forcing and dictionary attacks. Weak passwords crumble easily, so rethink that password 123 life. You'll also learn about password hashing. Hashes are like unique fingerprints for your password. By the end, you'll understand password security from both perspectives. Stay tuned for more video. Up next, we're diving into the world of keyloggers. Now I know what you're thinking. Keyloggers. Isn't that like super shady? And you're not wrong. Keyloggers have definitely earned their spot on the potentially malicious software list. But hold on, hear me out. Building a simple keylogger for educational purposes only can teach you a lot. We'll be sticking with Python for this one since it's great for this kind of project. You'll learn how keyloggers capture every keystroke you make, how they can be hidden in the background, and even how they can send the collected data to a remote attacker. It's like a crash course in digital espionage. But here's the thing: knowledge is power. By building your own keylogger, you'll understand the techniques they use, and more importantly, how to spot the red flags. You'll also learn about things like keystroke encryption and anti-keylogging software, which can help you stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Consider this your digital self-defense class. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this knowledge wisely and ethically. And don't forget to check out our video for more tips and tricks. Ever wonder who or what is connected to your network? Building a network scanner will not only satisfy your curiosity, but also arm you with the knowledge to keep your network secure. This project is like becoming the digital detective of your own Wi-Fi. We'll be using Python again, seeing a theme here, leveraging its networking capabilities. You'll learn about IP addresses, ports, and network protocols, all the good stuff that makes the internet tick. Imagine building a tool that scans your entire network, revealing all the connected devices, your laptop, your phone, that smart fridge that's always online for some reason. You'll be able to see their IP addresses, their MAC addresses like a unique device fingerprint, and even the ports they're using to communicate. It's like lifting the hood on your network and seeing all the parts working together. But it's not just about playing digital detective. Network scanning is also a crucial part of security auditing. By understanding what's on your network, you can identify potential vulnerabilities before someone else does. Think of it like a security checkup for your digital home. And don't forget to watch our video for more tips. Time to level up our ethical hacking game with a Wi-Fi Deauther video. Using a Wi-Fi Deauther on networks you don't own is illegal and unethical. This project is purely for educational purposes. A Wi-Fi Deauther jams communication, causing temporary disconnections. It's like that annoying person at a party who keeps interrupting. We'll use the ESP8266, a low-cost Wi-Fi microcontroller. Learn about Wi-Fi frames, deauthentication packets, and network disruption. By understanding Deauthers, you can protect your own network. Time to dive into the world of web security with SQL injection, or SQLI for short. This is one of those vulnerabilities that sounds super technical, but is actually pretty straightforward once you understand the basics. Don't worry, we won't be targeting any real websites here. We'll be creating our own simple web application, complete with a vulnerable login form. Think of it like a digital test dummy for your hacking skills. You'll learn how SQL, the language used to manage data in databases, can be manipulated to bypass authentication, extract sensitive information, or even take control of a website. It's like finding a secret backdoor into a website's control panel. But here's the thing. While learning about SQLI might seem like we're turning you into a black hat hacker, it's actually quite the opposite. By understanding how this attack works, you'll be able to identify and fix SQLI vulnerabilities in your own web applications. Enjoy the video! All right, time to put on our creative hats and maybe some fake mustaches as we venture into the world of phishing. Now, phishing is all about deception, tricking people into giving up their personal information like passwords, credit card details, or even their social security numbers. Don't worry, we won't be scamming anyone here. Our mission is to build a phishing page for educational purposes only. Think of it like a digital awareness campaign, showing people how easily they can be fooled. We'll be using HTML, CSS, and maybe a sprinkle of JavaScript to create our convincing but harmless phishing page. You'll learn about social engineering techniques, how to mimic legitimate websites, and even how to create fake login forms that capture user credentials. But here's the kicker. By building your own phishing page, you'll be much better equipped to spot the telltale signs of a phishing attack in the wild. You'll learn to pay attention to suspicious links, check website URLs carefully, and be wary of any website asking for your personal information. And remember, always stay vigilant in the video world. Chapter 7. Steganography. Secret messages. Let's switch gears and dive into the world of steganography, the art of hiding data in plain sight. It's like the digital equivalent of invisible ink, except we'll be using images, audio files, or even video files as our secret hiding places. Imagine taking a seemingly innocent picture of a cat, because internet, and embedding a secret message within its pixels. To the untrained eye, it's just a cat, but you, my friend, you'll know the secrets it holds. We'll be using Python again for this project, leveraging its image processing capabilities. You'll learn about different steganographic techniques like least significant bit steganography, where we'll be tweaking the pixels ever so slightly to hide our message. Think of it like this. Each pixel is like a container, and we're just using a tiny bit of its space to store our secret. It's like smuggling digital secrets right under everyone's noses. Time to put on our white hat hacker hats and become the guardians of cybersecurity with our own vulnerability scanner. Think of it like a digital security checkup for websites and applications. We'll be using Python again because it's awesome, along with some helpful libraries that will make our lives easier. You'll learn about common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and file inclusion vulnerabilities. It's like learning the language of security flaws. Our scanner will crawl through a website's code, looking for these vulnerabilities and flagging them for us to fix. It's like having a digital bloodhound sniffing out security holes. But here's the thing. Building a vulnerability scanner isn't just about finding problems. It's about understanding how to fix them. By learning how these vulnerabilities work, you'll be able to write more secure code and protect your own websites and applications from attacks. And don't forget to check out our video for more tips and tricks. All right, time to take a break from the technical stuff and dive into the fascinating world of social engineering. This is all about exploiting the human element of security, using psychological manipulation to trick people into doing things they shouldn't. Don't worry, we won't be turning into con artists here. We'll be using a tool called the Social Engineering Toolkit, a powerful open-source framework for simulating social engineering attacks. It's like a digital playground for understanding how easily people can be manipulated. Think of it like this. SET is like having a toolbox full of social engineering tricks. You can use it to create fake phishing pages, craft convincing emails, or even set up rogue Wi-Fi access points. It's like being a digital magician, except instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, you're pulling information out of people. But here's the thing. By understanding how social engineering works, you'll be much better equipped to protect yourself from it. You'll learn to be more skeptical of unsolicited emails, think twice before clicking on links, and be wary of anyone asking for your personal information. Video. Let's wrap things up with a slightly unnerving but incredibly important project, building a ransomware simulator video. Now, before you start panicking, let me be very clear. This simulator video won't actually encrypt your files or hold your data hostage. It's purely for educational purposes to understand how ransomware works and, more importantly, how to protect yourself from it video. We'll be using Python again because it's just that versatile, leveraging its encryption capabilities video. You'll learn about different encryption algorithms, how ransomware encrypts files video, and even how it demands payment in cryptocurrency video. It's like a crash course in digital extortion video. But here's the thing. By understanding how ransomware works, you'll be much better equipped to protect yourself from it video. You'll learn the importance of strong passwords video, the need for regular backups video, and the dangers of opening suspicious attachments video. Think of it like this. Building a ransomware simulator is like getting a flu shot video. It exposes you to a weakened version of the threat, helping your body build up immunity to the real deal video. So, there you have it. Our top 10 ethical hacking projects for beginners in 2024. Hopefully, this video has sparked your curiosity about the world of cybersecurity and given you some fun and educational projects to get started with. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use your hacking skills ethically and legally. If you're looking for more in-depth tutorials on any of these projects, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which project you're most excited to try. And as always, thanks for watching.